Welcome to Admac Oncology, a leader in pharmaceutical innovation. With a dedicated focus on oncology and cancer treatments, we leverage cutting-edge technology and precision to manufacture solutions that save lives. Admac Oncology offers a comprehensive range of products in multiple dosage forms to meet patient needs and specialized treatment protocols. Lyophilized injections, liquid injections, tablets, and capsules. Our diverse formulations ensure flexible treatment options for healthcare providers while maximizing patient outcomes.
Admac Oncology exports its high-quality pharmaceutical products to countries across Asia, Africa, Latin America, and Europe. Our global presence reflects our commitment to delivering innovative cancer care to patients worldwide. Creating an optimal environment for every phase of production. Powered by dedicated air handling units, building management systems, and environment monitoring systems. Our infrastructure ensures precise control of air quality, temperature, and humidity at all times. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities meet the highest global standards, including ISO, GMP, and WHO certifications.
Our utility area houses advanced water treatment systems. Our production process begins with our meticulously managed warehouses. Every raw material is inspected, stored, and processed according to stringent protocols to maintain product integrity.
At the heart of our operations is the liquid injectable manufacturing process. Empty vials undergo multiple stages of inspection and cleansing, including vial inspection for cracks or defects, washing and depyrogenation to ensure sterility. In a Grade A isolator environment, the vials are filled using automated filling lines. Vials are then bunged with rubber stoppers. Multiple in-process quality checks guarantee the consistency and integrity of each batch.
For lyophilized injectables, vials proceed to lyophilization. The partially capped vials are loaded into specialized chambers and undergo precise freeze-drying cycles. Vials then proceed to sealing and externally washed for further inspection. Now they move to automated packaging systems, where continuous labeling with online coding inspection ensures traceability and compliance. Beyond injectables, our capabilities extend to oral solid dose manufacturing. This process ensures we can deliver high-quality tablets and capsules efficiently, offering patients and healthcare providers convenient treatment forms. Our OSD operations include our granulation area, where raw materials are blended, sifted, and prepared for further processing. Adjacent to it, the blending area ensures uniform drug formulations for consistent results across batches. While the tablet compression units shape high-quality solid forms. Our capsule filling lines handle precise dosing to meet rigorous standards. Finally, our automated packaging systems pack and secure each product, ensuring it's ready for safe delivery worldwide. Each step of the OSD process is carefully monitored to maintain the same high standards we apply to all our products.
Our quality management system includes a microbiology lab to monitor sterility and microbiological safety, an instrumentation lab for equipment calibration and testing. At Admac Oncology, quality is embedded into every aspect of our operations. Our commitment to innovation and automation reduces human error, enhances precision, and increases efficiency throughout the manufacturing process. A chemical lab to analyze the chemical composition and ensure product efficacy.
We also employ walk-in stability chambers to test and monitor the long-term stability of our products under controlled conditions. These processes guarantee that our medicines maintain their potency and safety throughout their shelf life. Our quality assurance and documentation teams oversee every batch to ensure compliance with international standards. We believe that maintaining excellence is only possible through the dedication of a well-trained workforce. At Admac Oncology, we conduct regular training sessions to keep our employees up to date with the latest industry practices and technological advancements. These continuous learning initiatives enable our team to deliver consistent, high-quality results across all departments.
From quality management systems to full-scale production, we focus on delivering solutions that empower patients to fight illness and improve their quality of life.
At Admac Oncology, we believe that our products are more than just medicines. They represent hope and healing. Every vial, tablet, and capsule we produce is a step toward building brighter futures for patients everywhere. Admac Oncology, pioneering innovation, empowering lives.
For more information, visit admaconcology.com.